Hello, welcome to American Bakery in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a really fast and easy cake. It is a chocolate chip cake covered in buttercream with a little bit of piping on it and a few chocolate chips as decoration. And this is a really fast cake. It only took me about 20 minutes to decorate, and it's really fast for days when you just don't have time to make an elaborate cake. But it looks like you spent more time than you did. So it's still really pretty, it's really classic, and it's perfect for almost any occasion. So let's go.
I'm using frozen chocolate chip cake that I had in the freezer left over from another project. I stick it down with American buttercream. This is just regular vanilla buttercream. And I fill it with the vanilla buttercream, and I add some chocolate chips in between the layers. Then I add the second layer, and I crumb coat it with American buttercream. As soon as I was done crumb coating it, the buttercream had already set up because the cake was so cold that it set up very, very quickly. So I went ahead and put the second layer of buttercream on it right away. I smoothed it really well with my spatula. Then I put the rest of my buttercream into a piping bag with an open star tip. And I cleaned up the excess buttercream off of my cake board. I added some dollops, about 4 of them across, and then 2 in between each dollop. Then I added a shell border around the bottom. Now I had so little buttercream left over, I really had to squeeze all of it out of the piping bag to get all of it onto the cake. Then I added chocolate chips on top of each dollop and in between each of the shells along the bottom. Then I added a row of chocolate chips in the middle of the cake. Whenever one fell off, I just got a new one. And one in between the dollops along the top. This is one of those surprising cakes that really didn't take very long at all to prepare, but that everyone thinks did. So this is one of those classics that will be made again and again.